Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Grinch cookie cake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need some kind of cookie dough. You could use sugar or chocolate chip. I found this sugar cookie dough I'm going to use. Then you need the Grinch Pillsbury ready to bake cookies. I'm going to use some white frosting and I'm going to tint that this green color that I feel like looks Grinchy. Then I have some green sanding sugar and then these little hearts. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 and then spray a springform pan generously with cooking spray. I pressed all of my sugar cookie dough down into my springform pan, and it does not have to look perfect or anything like that. And then I just went ahead and sprinkled some of my green sanding. I just added all of my Grinch sugar cookies and I just put one in the middle and then just started circling them around until I used them all up, and I just gently press them into my dough. You don't have to be too particular on that. And then I added some more of the green sanding sugar just to the outer edges, and now we are going to get this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. My cookie cake just came out of the oven and I just went ahead and sprinkled it with my hearts and some more of the green sanding sugar. It looks so cute already. Now we are just going to let it cool before we frost it and let taste tester have a little taste. My Grinch cake cooled off and I did have to put mine back into the oven for an additional 10 to 15 minutes because it just was still really jiggly when I took it out. But then I let it cool off completely and I just put my frosting into a cup and tinted it the green color and piped it on, and then just added some more of the heart sprinkles, and it looks so cute. I cannot wait to see what taste tester thinks. I've got a nice piece here for taste tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Jennifer, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.